TikTok and YouTube, man, they are my enemy, yet my best friend. I go into a rabbit hole of watching videos. I cannot stop watching videos until 1 o'clock on a work night. It's ridiculous. Lately, I have been seeing this trend. I guess it's been going on for quite some time because I did watch a video last night where it was like a few months ago, but the trend of Amazon must-haves have been all over my feed on TikTok and on YouTube. So I thought I would share with you some items that I have in my household that I absolutely love and I'm so glad that I bought off of Amazon. I have been on a no-buy haul for a no-buy haul. I just want to haul something, so I'm calling the no-buy a haul. I'm hauling no-buy. Point is, I have not been buying anything for the last 2 months. I'm hoping not to buy myself anything until the Sephora sale. That is usually, I believe, in April. So I've been really good about it. The only things that I indulge in are food, my groceries, but I have been on such a good cleanse. I'm doing no sugar until my birthday on March 22nd. So far, I'm loving it. I am loving it. I'm gonna try to vlog and like keep you guys updated. I thought this would be a good way to kind of haul for you products that I absolutely love, and I'm so glad that I got off of Amazon. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because it is free. Don't we all love free things? These things on Amazon aren't free. Also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm super active on there. I'm always on my Instagram stories. It's at Kaylee G Davis. And if you're obsessed with TikTok like myself, then follow me on TikTok. It is at KalesXO. Kales with a Z and not an S. So in this haul, we have some tech stuff, beauty stuff, some things in my kitchen that I feel like you must have or that I've been really loving lately. So let's start with the kitchen items. And the first thing I want to share with you guys is one of my favorite things in my kitchen, and it's my recipe book. It's from Rifle Paper Company. I believe that's what it's called. I got this actually, let's start this off with a little secret. I got this from the Paper Source a long time ago, but I noticed that they sell these on Amazon, which is awesome, and I do think they're a little bit cheaper. I feel like that's a common thing with Amazon and why it's so popular is like it's usually marked down $1 or $2. I love the pattern on this recipe book. I love the citrus trees all around it. It's just so pretty. To me, my heart is in the kitchen. I love to cook things for my friends, for my family, for my husband. It just makes me so happy. It's very therapeutic for myself. Food to me is nostalgic. It reminds me of my grandma making a recipe that she's handed down to me and that I get to make myself, even though it doesn't usually taste the same. And I feel like even if I follow the recipe to the exact T, it's just that love that your grandma put into it. And sometimes you even find recipes off of Pinterest that have become some of my staples, like my sweet potato casserole recipe. Oh my gosh, it is one of my favorite recipes of all time, and it is in this bad boy. I really love this. I just think it's something, it's so nice to hold something, for me at least. Like, I love holding my book. I don't want to have to look through it on a screen. I know a lot of people keep their recipes on their iPad, but I like the old school traditional stuff. I like to feel it. And at my bridal shower, actually, I got these. I believe I hauled this for you in my bridal shower haul, but I got these super cute recipe cards. They're from Kate Spade, and they're really nice. So you can find really cute recipe cards because this one doesn't come with too many. And this just looks so pretty on my shelf. They have a lot of other patterns too. Like, I really love their, I believe it's like a lemon one, or there's like a purple flower one. But yeah, if you're really into collecting recipes, I highly recommend getting one of these. They are just adorable and they make my heart happy. The next kitchen item I want to show you is the frothy. You may be wondering, what in the heck and bob is a frothy? And so was I. But I found this and I was obsessed with it because now I can make frothy lattes. I don't drink coffee, I only drink tea. But this has been awesome for me to make my matcha lattes. I love it. I do think I might invest in I think it's called a Neopresser frothy milk machine. I don't know, but so far this has been working wonders for me and I love it. All you have to do is stick this at the bottom of your cup inside of your milk, and then you have 2 buttons that you can choose from. You can choose from low or high. I always usually use the low because the high gets a little too wild and starts splattering everywhere. I just thought this was a fun little gadget to show you guys. It's really affordable compared to that other milk frother that I'm talking about, so definitely check this out. You know I love me some candles. I'm obsessed with candles. Me and my husband light a candle every single night pretty much, or we diffuse our oils, but most likely we are burning a candle, and his coworker came over the other day and walked in, and she goes, "Oh my gosh, your place smells amazing." And that just made me so happy. And I'm like, see, Ryan, having all these candles isn't such a bad thing. If you have not seen my candle collection video, you may be shocked at how many candles I have, but surprisingly, that's not as many as some of these people on YouTube, so I don't feel too bad. So the next item is gonna be definitely for my candle community out there, and it's this electric lighter. It's so cool. All you have to do is take the USB cord and plug it into your wall if it's dead. You don't have to go buy a new one and just keep wasting money constantly replenishing your lighters, and I love that. When I can replace, like for example, I no longer have to use tinfoil because I found the Silpat mats, which I think you can also buy off of Amazon, but I found these Silpat mats that you can cook everything on, your vegetables, your chicken, your salmon, whatever you want to do, cookies. Oh God. Yeah, I've been making a lot of cookies on those Silpat mats. But you just put them on there and then you just wash it off. Tinfoil's not great because it just seeps into your food, and like apparently that's really bad for you, right? So I've replaced that now, and now I don't have to keep buying tinfoil. So you can do the same thing with your lighter. I love it. It's awesome, and it just looks so cool when you turn it on. It has this little like zap in the middle, and I just feel like I'm in a scientific experiment putting this lighter into the candle and just lighting the wick. I don't know, it's so satisfying to me. But I was so excited to share this with you guys because I know a lot of the followers that I have are people who love my candle videos, so this one's for you. This is also another like wax related item, and it's my wax melter that I use in my kitchen. I really love this because sometimes I don't feel like burning candles when it's super hot out because it just adds extra heat into my small studio apartment, and I'm not about that. So I use my wax warmer, and I do get these wax melts from, usually I go to Midnight Daydream Co. or Southbound Company on the internet. They don't have like a storefront or anything, it's just on the internet. And I put that at the top of this, and then sometimes, typically, my candles will get down to the very bottom and I just can no longer light it, but it has a lot of scent left, and you don't want that scent to go out. So this wax warmer allows you to take your candle, and the BBW, which is usually what I buy for my candles, Bath & Body Works, the Bath & Body Works candles fit perfectly on this, and you can put it and let the bottom warm, and then the scent will come out and fragrant your kitchen, your space, wherever you are. But yeah, I really love my wax warmer, and for any of you out there, I didn't know about wax warmers until probably the last couple of months, so I was super excited when I discovered this. So hopefully if you've never heard of one, you now are stoked to get one too. Beauty stuff or tech stuff next? Let's do the tech stuff because I only have 2 items for that, and the rest are all beauty items, so we'll just end with that, which is fun anyways because I just love beauty products. Okay, so for the tech stuff, the first thing I want to share with you guys is this Gorilla Pod camera tripod. So what I think it's called Gorilla Pod. Oh boy, I don't know. Did I make that up? No, it's Gorilla something. So what the Gorilla brand does is they have these movable and bendy tripods, which is awesome because if you are, even if you don't vlog for YouTube and you love to take home videos, which is originally what I had done before I started YouTube, I was constantly filming my family left and right because I'm such a nostalgic person that I just don't want to forget things. I want to be able to look back on them, and then that kind of inspired me to start my YouTube. So I found this Gorilla tripod, and it has the little nub at the top which will go right under your vlog camera. I have the Canon G7X, and this works perfectly. I don't know if it would work with a bigger vlog camera, I'm not quite sure, but this does work perfectly for the vlog camera that I have, which is the common vlog camera, I feel like, for people who use YouTube, and it would just be great if you don't use it either. But yeah, so you can really wrap this around anything. Let's say you're going on a hike in the middle of the desert and you want to take a video, you can just wrap this around a small cactus. Don't prick yourself, but it could work if you were super careful. Small, it's portable, can fit right into your purse if you need it, and it fits my camera, so I love this. Now this item is kind of a big item. Will it fit into the frame? Probably not, but This is a ring light. What I have behind me right now, it's called a dog mount. Ryan got that for me for Christmas. I wonder if he got it from Amazon. I think he might have. So the dog mount isn't a ring light, it's more of a box light, and this is the standard ring light that I feel like a lot of people use. What I love about this ring light though is it is small, it's mini, it's not like the super large ones that people set up for their videos, but it's this mini version where you can put your camera, well your phone, it doesn't fit my vlog camera, but you can put your camera right here and then you can film stuff if you want, like, oh, for TikToks, I've been using this for TikToks, which is amazing because sometimes I had to prop my phone up on like random things and it kind of looks ridiculous and the lighting usually sucks. But what I originally got this for is just because my studio apartment, the light is just really off in here, and I do usually film stuff or do my makeup at nighttime. I got the ring light so I could just have better light in my studio apartment, and what I love about this ring light is that it has different modes. So you could do a cool mode, a warm mode. You can also kind of like dim it depending on like which mode you pick, brighten it up. So whatever you feel like you need, you can get from this ring light. It's not just one standard light, I can't speak. It's not just one standard light like the dog mount that I have behind me. Oh my gosh, I was calling it the wrong thing the whole time. It's called Mount Dog. So that's the square box that I have behind me. A mount dog, not a dog mount. And this is super affordable, and ring lights typically run pretty high. Well, from the last time I had looked at one, just out of curiosity if I should get one or not, they were pretty pricey. So I was so excited when I found this on Amazon. Okay, now for the beauty stuff. Woo! I can't wait. So I love traveling, and I also love traveling while I'm organized. It's a customizable case which I usually keep all of my beauty products, my hygiene products in, and they have these dividers inside that you can use to rearrange them however you want. So like if your foundation doesn't fit properly in one section, you can just arrange things differently and then change the dividers to how you need them to be for that day, for that trip, wherever you're going. I love this so much. I love that I can just have everything right in here, put it in my bag, my travel bag, and I'm ready to go, and things aren't just like in multiple bags everywhere in my suitcase. That drives me nuts. So when I found this is pretty large, which I do like, and I just needed to share this with you because I can't live without it now when I travel. Ever since I was a little girl, I've always had trouble with tangles. I just have the most tangly hair. I mean, I have a lot of hair. It's lion's mane. So when I was gifted this product, I was so excited. I had no idea what this wet brush was all about, but then I got it. When she gifted me this item and it changed my life, it changed my life. And it's the wet brush. The wet brush is my go-to brush. It glides right through your hair and it just feels so good. Your neck isn't going back. You're not screaming out for dear life. It's the best. I'm obsessed with it. I don't know what kind of technology is in these bristles, but I am all about it. So if you have a problem with tangled hair, I highly suggest you invest in a wet brush. Sunscreen, you guys. Sunscreen is so important. I cannot stress that enough. And when I found this sunscreen, it made my heart so happy, so fulfilled, because I need a sunscreen that doesn't stick, doesn't smell gross, that doesn't have nasty chemicals in it, and Supergoop was that company for me. And they create so many different kinds of sunscreen products, which is awesome. They even have an invisible sunscreen so that you can put it underneath your makeup and it doesn't have that white cast, and then you can apply your makeup on top if your foundation doesn't have SPF in it already. Mine does, like my day-to-day one. But I love this for the beach, for if I'm by the pool. I love this stuff. I love the spray kind. It smells really good. The ingredients are pretty clean. So definitely look into Supergoop. It's a little bit pricier, but on Amazon, I think it's $1 or $2 cheaper. So check it out. Now the next beauty product is one I'm really glad I invested in, because on Sundays for me are my pamper days. I love to do a nice bubble bath, to really do nice masks, to take my time with my skincare. I love skincare. I think it's so important to have a routine morning and night, which I do. I also did 2 videos on that if you want to check those out after this video. But skincare is super, super important. And so this one product that I found is a facial steamer. And now I can do my own at-home facials, which is awesome. I still would like to go get an actual facial, which is on my 2020 resolution list. Like, I want to go and get more this year because I've only had, I think, one in my whole life. And it is nice to go to an actual esthetician and have them extract all of the blackheads and stuff off of your face, and they know best. But if you're on a budget, you can still get a really nice facial at home, and it's just kind of fun to do. It's a fun little activity to do for yourself, or you can invite your girlfriends over and give them facials and just make it a fun experience. So this Kinja facial steamer is very affordable. Amber Fillerup, she is a beauty blogger, a big Instagrammer. If you don't know who she is, I love her. I followed her from like day one before she even got married to her husband, and she gives really great beauty suggestions, and this was on one of her lists on her blog that she said you must try and get if you're really into beauty products. And then inside of that little box that I got with the facial steamer, it had these little tools that you could use. I haven't used these tools yet because I'm kind of nervous. They intimidate me. They have like circles, they have like flat indentation parts, and I'm sure they're extracting tools. I just haven't dabbled in them yet because I'm afraid I'm gonna like scar my skin. That's it for my top 10 Amazon must-haves. I hope you guys saw some items that you might want to pick up and have for yourself. I love watching these videos. I'm obsessed. I love hearing what people love to get from different stores. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up because it lets me know that you enjoyed this content. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because it's free. These products are. Thanks for keeping up. I will see you guys in my next video.